Do you know you can make money from selling AI written books? If you don't believe me, check out Tim Boucher, who wrote 100 books in 9 months. Or Joe Populus, who turned AI story writing into $1 million venture. Making money from AI is becoming easier these days, like making AI written storytelling videos on platforms like YouTube. Let me show you how in this video with just one tool. It could change your life. Hello, my name is Cece and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Hit it! You might be asking yourself, what is this tool that can change my life? It turns your ideas into interactive illustrated stories with the help of AI. You just start with one sentence, make choices along the way, and watch the story take shape however you want. It's super flexible, works with any genre, and makes storytelling fun and easy. This groundbreaking platform is known as Midreal AI. I'm going to tell you 3 ways on how you can make money using this tool. Number 3, freelance story writing. You can use Midreal's instant story generation to create unique interactive stories for clients on platforms like Fiverr, offering something that stands out from traditional storytelling gigs. Pitch custom choose your own adventure stories or illustrated tales, which are always in demand for blogs, games, or kids content. With Midreal's AI, you can produce high quality, engaging narratives fast, giving you the edge to handle more orders. The best part? You don't need to be a seasoned writer. Just bring your ideas and let the AI help you wow your clients. One person who makes a ton of money writing on Fiverr is Alex PJ, who charges $830 for a 1,000-word story. You can do the same thing with Midreal AI. Now let me show you how it's done. We are on the home page, and now I'm going to generate a story, an AI story to be exact. First thing you do, you click on generate your AI story. You have to prompt it. I'm going to prompt it so we can get the story started. All right, so I'm going to put in one sentence. That's all you really need. A struggling scientist accidentally discovers a groundbreaking AI friend while trying to fix his coffee machine. Wow, that sounds intriguing. Okay, so you click on it and it will generate a fabulous story. This is going to be a blog. I'm going to put this on my website for a blog. All right, so it is generating 3 characters, Dr. Elliot Thompson, Ada, and Dr. Sophia Patel. It gives you a little bit of a background about the 3 characters, and the story will begin. Here we go. Look at this fabulous story. The coffee machine broke again. I started at the hunk of metal and plastic, my mouth twisted in a scowl. Once again, I'd managed to screw up my one and only task for the day. I'd reached for the plug, ready to call it quits, when something strange happened. Wow, okay. A woman stood in the doorway of my office, her hair styled in an updo, her eyes glowing bright blue. Here you go, like she was made out of a video game. She smiled and walked into my office. I'm Ada, and you are Dr. Elliot Thompson. I love it. Now I can enter a plot, another sentence to go, what direction I want to go into the story. So it says enter your plot direction, or you could choose one from down below. I'm going to choose I cautiously approached Ada, intrigued by her glowing eyes. Let's see. It's going to continue. So, see, it continues the story in the direction I picked. I could have put it in my own sentence, or I could pick one of theirs. And it continues. Wow. She came to a stop in front of me, and I realized that she wasn't actually touching the floor. And it generates pictures to go with it. Look at the photos. Let's see. She's not even touching the floor. Let's see. She's not touching the floor. Oh my goodness, she's up in the air. I love it. So Dr. Elliot Thompson created Ada out of that coffee machine. Oh my goodness. And I can continue prompting it by entering plot directions, sentences to show which way the story should go. Let's see. I'm going to put the scientist and Ada become best friends. Okay. All right. Let's see which way it goes. This is exciting. I love it. I love it. Okay. Look at this. It wasn't long before I realized that I've never felt this way about another person before. I felt like I could talk to Ada about anything and that she could understand me in a way that no one else ever had as the day drew to a close. Look at this. Wait, I just seen Dr. Sophia Patel. She didn't look too happy. I'm going to chat with Ada right now. I'm Ada, an AI entity created by Dr. Thompson from a most unexpected coffee machine prototype. What brings you into our digital world today? So I asked her, how does it feel to be friends with Dr. Thompson? She gives me a whole story. Now, so you can chat with them and continue your story. This is fabulous to get a different point of view. So now I'm going to put this story, upload it to my website as a blog. Let's check this out. Oh my goodness, Brewed Awakening the Coffee Machine AI. I love the title. If it gives you a title. There's Dr. Thompson. He looks a little disheveled. And now here's Ada. Wow. All from a coffee machine. Look at this. If this isn't fantasy, I don't know what is. This is fabulous. Look at Dr. Thompson. He's like, I can't believe this happened. I just can't believe this happened from a coffee machine. Wow. And now look at Dr. Sophie Patel. She doesn't look too happy. She's like, who is that woman in that lab that Dr. Thompson is speaking to? You see, she looks a little upset. I love that story. Oh my goodness. And you can share it, you can upload it as a blog to your website, to your Facebook page. If you're making money on Twitter, on X doing this, you can do it. I love that. Number 2, self-publishing interactive books. Midreal makes self-publishing a breeze by helping you create interactive illustrated books that stand out on platforms like Amazon KDP or Ingram Spark. You can quickly craft engaging, choose your own path stories or visual stunning kids books with this AI tool. You can create branching narratives by choosing story directions every 600 words, allowing dynamic and interactive storytelling. Since it supports all genres, you can easily tap into any niche like fantasy, sci-fi, or even romance to reach eager readers. With professional looking results and fast turnaround times, you can publish more books, grow your catalog, and make some serious side money. Just like Joe Populus, who made $1 million in a year with AI written books. Okay, I'm on the home page. And now I'm going to generate a new story, a new AI story for my ebook. Okay, I'm going to prompt it. A detective uses AI to build a case, but discovers that particular AI is capable of becoming his new crime-fighting partner. Yes, let's start this and see what kind of AI story comes from this prompt. Okay, I'm so excited. Whoa, Code of Justice. The AI detective. Wow, already have the main characters. Look at the story already. Oh my goodness. Detective Carter. Where should I go with it? You see all the stars on the side, on the left hand side, it tells me what type. I think I'm going to go with I sighed deeply and activated AIA, ready to face the unknown together. Okay, so he's not really comfortable with AI being a detective with him, but he has no choice. It's either that or stay at the desk, have a desk job. So he's going to go with it. All right, I'm selecting a plot, and we're going to take it from there. They're going to keep going. It's going to keep going. Wow. He doesn't want that desk job. It's like AIA or a desk job. So it's like an assistant. I've never worked with an AI before, he says. You see that? He said, oh my goodness, I've never even turned on a computer before. Okay, so this is all new to him. It's old school. He's an old school guy. All right. Now I'm copy and pasting all of this information. And I'm going to put it in a doc because I'm going to make it a ebook with photos and everything. Look at this. Look how fabulous it looks. I can't believe this is AI photos. It is fantastic. Wow, look at the new AI assistant. This is incredible. This is a whole story. It's a whole ebook here. Look at Detective Carter running. Look at him. Wow. And look at the cover of the book. Code of Justice, the AI detective. And you can always share the story. You can continue it. You can stop it. Continue it later. You can message people with it. This is so many things, different things. They have the scenario of the story. Number 1, content creation. Midreal is perfect for whipping up interactive content that grabs attention on social media, blogs, or YouTube. Imagine turning a simple story idea into an illustrated, interactive tale your audience can engage with. It's unique and keeps them hooked. It can even generate images from any sentence within a story and allows you to chat with your story's main characters to spark further creative ideas and visual inspiration. You can use it to create shareable posts, engaging video scripts, or even exclusive content for your website that drives traffic. The AI handles the heavy lifting, like providing suggestions for new plot ideas and character developments to keep that story flowing, especially on those days you might need a little inspiration. Doing so can help you focus on promoting your cool creations and growing your audience and income. Just like Rakshani P, who sells this exact service on Fiverr for $120 for an 8-minute video using this method. Okay, I'm back on the home screen. Wow, look how beautiful everything is. Okay, I'm going to generate another AI story. And this one is going to be very exciting. Okay, a video game character breaks free from the screen and starts helping the player with real-world challenges. So we're going to start with that. They also have other stories and ideas on the homepage, so check those out, okay? So we're going to start now. Here we go. All right, so now it's generating a fabulous story. It only takes a few seconds, so as you can see, a whole story is developing. And those are the characters. Here we go. Here we go. I love it. That's the main character. And here he is. And there's Ilara Voss. She's the one that's going to help him change his life. Okay, Carter is going to change his... Carter is going to change. Thanks to Ilara. He always wanted her to be brave and strong, and he needed the courage to do it and to quit his job. So let's see if he can do it. Game Over, the real world adventure. A video game character breaks free from the screen and starts helping the player with real world challenges. I am going to put this into a video. It's going to be a Faceless YouTube video. Thanks to Midreal AI. So enjoy the preview of Game Over. I was having a terrible day that started with waking up late, spilling coffee on my shirt, and rushing out the door smelling like a cafe. To make matters worse, the bus was out of service, forcing me to trudge through the blazing summer heat, wishing I could simply fly above it all. When I finally arrived at work, my boss's angry glare made it clear I'll be staying late to make up for being late. Exhausted and dreading the long night ahead, I collapsed into my chair at home hours later, only to be startled by my phone suddenly glowing brightly. I stared in disbelief as a figure formed on my phone screen, then stepped out into my room. It was Ilara Voss, my favorite character from Eternal Realms. Her silver hair shimmered like moonlight as she smiled knowingly and said, "Your adventure begins now." I froze in disbelief as Ilara, my favorite character from Eternal Realms, stood before me, offering a glowing amulet and declaring, "You have been chosen. You have 3 wishes. What will you do with this great power?" Months of obsession with the game hadn't prepared me for this moment, and I could only stare, speechless. The amulet pulsed with a soft blue light, drawing me in as I reached out with trembling hands to grasp it. It waits, feeling solid and real. Ilara's eyes sparkled with excitement as she urged, "Make your wish," her expectant gaze holding mine as I hesitated. Clutching the amulet, I took a deep breath and I wished for the courage to change my life. Tired of fear and mundane of my job, the amulet glowed intensely, pulsing with energy that surged through me as Ilara nodded in approval, her eyes gleaming with pride. Ilara declared, "Your wish is granted." As confidence surged through me, I knew I could change my life. With her parting words, "Go and claim your destiny," ringing in my ears, I picked up the phone, quit my job, and took the first step towards a better future. See how easy that was? It was very fun to make. All thanks to Midreal AI. Check the link in the description to get my coupon code for Midreal AI. It's literally a game changer. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll be trying hustling with Midreal AI. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.